A very good morning, student. This is the maths class for standard 5th. Students, we were doing exercise 2 of chapter 5. We have done question number 1 to 8. Let us start from the question number 9. Students, see carefully of question number 13. In question number 13, it should be plus instead of minus. So we have to put plus sign between 18 and 14. Now let us start from question number 9. Question number 9 is 20 minus, open the big bracket, 5 into curly bracket, open the curly bracket, open the small bracket, 7 plus 2, close the small bracket, divided by 3, close the curly bracket and close the big bracket. Now in next step, use the BODMAS rule. First we solve the small bracket and keep the remaining digit at same place. Now 20 minus 5 into curly bracket. Now solve the small bracket, that is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now divided by 3. Now in next step we have to move, solve the curly bracket, that is 9 divided by 3. If the 9 is divided by 3, we will get 3. Now in next step, 20 minus 5 into 3. Now we will solve the big bracket. Now 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Now keep the remaining digits same, that is 20 minus 15. When 15 is subtracted from the 20, we will get 5. Now question number 10 is 20 plus 6 plus 3 into 27 divided by 9 upon 5. First we solve the small bracket and keep the remaining digit same. For solving the small bracket, we have to reciprocal this fraction and we change the sign. Now we put sign multiply instead of divide and reciprocal the fraction. 9 upon 5 instead of 5 upon 9 instead of 9 upon 5. Now in next step, 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. Now keep the remaining digits same. Now 28, 6 plus 3 multiply by 3 into 5. Now solve the 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now keep the remaining digits same. Now in next step, we solve the curly bracket. Now 3 into 15 is equal to 45 and keep the remaining digits same, that is 28 plus 6 plus 45. Now solve the big bracket, that is 6 plus 45 is equal to 51. Now next step, 21 plus 51. Add both the numbers and we will get 79. Now question number 11. 27 divided by 3 into 7 minus 4 plus 2 into 9 divided by 4 plus 2. Solve the small bracket first. So keep the remaining digits same, that is 27 divided by 3 into 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and keep the remaining digit same. In next step, we have to divide. Now 27 is divided by 3 is equal to 9 and 9 is divided by 6 is 9 is divided by 6. Now in next step, 9 into 3, 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. And in next step, keep the remaining digit same, that is 9 plus into 3 plus 1 into 3. Now multiply 9 into 3 is equal to 27 and 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now add both the digit and we'll get 30. Question number 12. 9 plus 20 minus 3 of 5 plus 20 plus 40 minus 25 divided by 5. First we solve the of. Now 3 of 5 in it means 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now keep the remaining digit same. Now in next step we have to solve small bracket. Now 9 plus 20 minus 15 plus 20 plus 40. First we have to divide. Now 25 is divided by 5, we will get 5. Now in next step 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 minus 5 and keep the remaining digits same. Now in next step 5 is subtracted from 60 and we will get 55. Now 9 plus 20 minus 15 plus 55. Now solve the curly bracket. First we 9 plus 20, when 15 is subtracted from 55 we will get 40 and 55 is larger than minus 15 and so we have to, and 55 have plus sign, so we have to put plus. Now 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Now 9 plus 60 is equal to 69. Now question number 13. Students, here you can see bar bracket. So we have to solve the first bar bracket. Now minus 18 plus 14 is equal to 4. Why minus 4? Because minus plus is equal to minus. So we have to 14 subtract from the 18 and 18 is minus 18 is larger than 14, so we have to put minus sign here. Now keep the remaining digits same. Now we have to solve small bracket. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 and keep the remaining digits same. Now in next step we have to solve curly bracket. Now 14 plus 3, 34 minus 4 is equal to 30 and keep the remaining digit same. Now in next step we have to solve big bracket, that is 6 into 2 is equal to 12 and keep the remaining digit same. In next step 12 plus 17 is equal to 29 minus 14 and keep the remaining digit same. Now in next step when 14 is subtracted from 29 we will get 15 and keep the remaining digit same. Now in next step 14 plus 3 into 30 is equal to 90 divided by 15 into 3 is equal to 45. In next step we have to divide. When 90 is divided by 45 we will get 2. Now 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Now question number 14. Here student, first we solve the small bracket. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and keep the remaining digit same. Now 15 plus 9 divided by 3 minus big bracket open and then we solve the curly bracket, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now in next step we have to solve big bracket. Now 5 into 3 is equal to 15 minus 2 and keep the remaining digit same. Now we solve the big bracket. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. Now we will get 15 plus 9 divided by 3 minus 13. Now, we have to divide. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, 15 plus 3 minus 13. Now, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 minus 13. When 13 is subtracted from 18, we will get 5. Now, question number 15 is 17 plus 11 minus 8 plus 3 minus 9 of 6 plus 7 minus 13 into 4. So, students, first we solve the of. It means 9 into 6 is equal to 54 and 13 into 4 is equal to 52. Now, keep the remaining digit same. Now, solve the small bracket. Now, 15 plus 7 is equal to 61 minus 52 and keep the remaining digit same. Now, in next step, 52 is subtracted from 61 and we will get 9. Then we will get 17 plus 11 minus 8 plus 3 minus 9. Then solve the curly bracket. Now 17 plus 11, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 minus 9. Then 9 is subtracted from 11, we will get 2. Now open the big bracket. When 2 is subtracted from 11, we will get 9. Now 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. So students, today we have done chapter 5 simplifications. And do practice of all the questions of exercise 1 and exercise 2. Thank you.